Heading over to Phil's to see what's on the workbench today.
I ordered some grill lights and we are going to install them today. Let's get to it. All right, we have some instructions. They're in color, by the way. We are not gonna use those. We have some brackets, which I customized for my 1500 Limited because the OEM brackets don't fit on this model truck and they don't have one for it. And this is what I use to customize the bracket. We'll show you that through the installation. These are the lights we are going to install. Hardware and wiring. Let's get to it. All right, this is where we're going to install the light, which is going to be here. And this is the customized bracket that I had to do to install it. And it fits right over here. Once we take the grill out, we'll go ahead and install it and show you how to do it. But this is exactly where it's going to go. One here and one there. So we need to take this back cover out because we need to make some holes in the grill to fit the lights. Again, another project. We needed to unclip the inside of the grill, which is this, unhook the camera, which is right over here, unhook the camera, and now it leaves us with a grill, which is where we're gonna do the work to install the lights. And look at this, there's a beehive. Look at this, it's full of bees right here, look at it, full of bees. I'm gonna have to clean all of this, full of insects. Wow. And fix the camera here too as well. Oh my God. All right, guess what we had to do next? We had to cut this. Zip. All right, here's the custom bracket that I made. I modified the bracket, not custom. I modified the bracket to fit the 2021 to 2025 Ram Limited. Okay, if you have the Limited Edition, you're gonna have to do this. I mean, you don't have an option because of this shape. So we cut it, we fit it in, bolt it in, and now we're gonna plug them in.
And we had to modify the grill just a little bit in order to get these to fit.
A little bit? No. There was a lot of modification. This little bit doesn't go well with me. We had to cut the grill to fit this bracket. So literally we cut this, I mean, it looks similar to this. We had to cut this, if you think about it. We just cut that and fit it in there and then just tighten it up with these bolts. So yes, it had to be modified. There's nothing that comes plug and play for this truck. But obviously I want it to look professional, and if you look at it, I mean, it looks great, man. It really looks like it came from factory that way. And that's the way I like it. We just finished putting all the wires behind the grill. We tightened them down, and I tied them very well with zip ties. And of course I put wire loom and tape so it doesn't vibrate, and then there is no problems. We also tested the lights work. Right now we're just gonna put the back of the grill together, and once we put it back together, we'll test the lights one more time. All right, folks, we went ahead and connected the spotlights. It was challenging to say the least, but nevertheless, they look beautiful. They look OEM. Take a look at it. They're not meant for this truck, but we made sure that it looked like it was meant for this truck. So now it's all in. The grill is in. The wires are connected. Now we need to connect the wires to the module so we can try them out. Okay? This is the panel we're going to be using. Some of you guys are going to connect the lights and put a switch inside the truck. I decided to put a panel because I'm going to put a lot of more lights in this truck. So let's get this a little bit more organized. Actually, you know what? I need to put some tape here. Do you know how difficult this was to put together? You know, you see these clips, these videos on how to put these lights on. Yeah, I mean, you can put them with Scotch tape, you can put them with double-sided tape, You can put them with a nut, you know, have them work for 2 minutes, show the video, and pretend that it's working. You know, I'm keeping this truck, so I want to make sure that it's functional, and at the same time, it looks good. See, did I need to do all of this? Probably not. But look, it looks organized and it looks neat. So you go under this wire here. Make sure you don't touch the battery, otherwise there's gonna be the 4th of July in here, Christmas light. And then it's gonna be a different project altogether. All right. So, see how it looks, folks. Now I'm gonna connect it here to spot number 6, and then we try the lights to see if it works. All right, we just went ahead and tinned the ends. So now I'm gonna connect the positive with the positive and the negative with the negative here. So let's go ahead and do this. Let me just open this up. You know what? Let me just disconnect everything. I don't want wires, sparks. Let's see. There we go, it went in. All right, now let's do the ground or the negative. Let's open this up. You think it's gonna work? Did I choose the right switch?
We'll see.
Oh man, if it doesn't work, I blame it on you. All right, so let's put the wires like this. I want this to look nice and neat. Let me see how it looks with the cover on. If I see the wires, I'm not gonna like it. Not gonna like it. I'm gonna have to put some tape. See that? That would bother me. All right. I'm gonna push the wire loom so it goes all the way to the top and it looks nicer, right? There you go. I need to be cautious of this because I need to put more in here, so I think that pretty much did it, right? Let's see. I think that looks better, doesn't it?
Looks better.
All right, so let's try the lights on. Let's see if it works. Switch on. There we go. We have electricity, folks.